Hi there. Today I want to show you some cool features about using YouTube. And this is a general reference to also utilize other video players like Venmo or the old MP4 players. But for our purposes today, I'm going to show you some cool features that YouTube offers. So you'll see here up in the search bar, I've typed in Big Dream Ministries, an amazing collection, because that's our Bible study that we're using. And so you'll see also here that I have subscribed. And if you click on the arrow, it'll show that I have selected the personalized videos. You can select all, none, you can unsubscribe, whatever works for you. But I have found that for me, subscribing helps the most. And you can go in ahead and see what I've watched, what I haven't watched. And there's a lot of other information here. So what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to type in week 1. Now, not always, but sometimes the channel will have it organized. Unfortunately, they do. So just for quick reference, we'll go to week 1. All right, so I don't have to fight the audio. I've muted it. You can also mute it over here. Every computer screen layout is going to be a little different, but that's on my laptop, that's how we do it. On your phone, it will be a little bit different. The next thing I want to show, and this is the most important thing, because some people expressed frustration that the speaker in the video speaks too fast, or they don't hear the information, they're a little overwhelmed. So there's some features, some cool features that are pretty basic. Some of you may already know them, but you can slow down your audio, you can speed it up, you can add closed captioning to make your watching experience more enjoyable, and so you get more out of it. So you'll hover over the video, and you'll see here this little gear icon. That's your settings. You want to click on that. Right now we have it set up as playback normal, and that's what your video player should default to, as normal. Now, you don't have to play it at normal. I like to play things at least 1.5 speed faster. You don't need to do that. You can click on this, and it'll start playing it faster. It tells you here that it's faster. But some people like to play the audio slower. They want to go back through and review it. They want to make sure they heard a name correctly. And then you can go back and you can select 0.5. So you go, so sometimes on the video player, you'll see a slider where 1 is normal speed and then negative is slower. You can slow it all the way down to negative 2.5, or you can speed it all the way up to 2 times speed, whatever works for you. So that's a really cool feature. Additionally, you'll see here that I have the closed captioning playing, and you can do that. If you don't like that, if it's default to turn on, you can select it and it'll turn it off. Select it again, it'll turn on, and it should default to English. The next cool thing I want to show you is if we go down under every video and then whatever channel it is, this is the Big Dream Ministries channel. Underneath that, there's some kind of a description, and this talks about the amazing life of Jesus Christ. And what you're looking for is the word more. You want to click on more, and it'll give you additional information. Now, there's 2 things that I want to show you. The first, the most important for those that are hard of hearing or want to have additional support of a transcript, if the channel offers it, you can select Show Transcript. You'll see here it's processing. And then as the video is playing, we're going to play the video. We're going to have to speed it up because I think I've got her too slow. So I'm going to bring it back up to normal speed. And then you go down here and you'll see that they're following along. You see here we're at 2 minutes and 5 seconds, and they'll just follow right along. So if you want to, you can pause it here and then look at your transcript. Or you can say, wait a minute, I thought earlier I heard her say something about teaching in the lessons of the workbook. I want to go back to that. You just click on that section, and the video player will bring you back to that section, and then you can play it again. Not all video channels have their transcript updated, but I'm noticing more and more it's available. This is a better layout in your phone if you want to watch the video on your phone with the transcript under the video, albeit it'll be smaller. But that's very helpful, whether you are in an environment where you just don't want to play the audio and disrupt people around you, or if you need or want that additional support and you want to have the verbiage there. And I believe also, I'm not sure, but there may be an option if you wanted to that you could even download the transcript. I'm not seeing that option here. So there's some other features that I can show in a future video if you feel that you want it. And I hope that you found this helpful.